Hey there, Nathan with nsoliday.com. And I wanted to come to you with a video today talking about a question that we get quite often, and that is, can I refinance with bad credit? A lot of people are thinking about refinancing right now because interest rates are so good and it's a great time to do so. But with bad credit, it can be a challenge. So anyway, I kind of want to talk about that just a little bit and let you know what we look for when we're looking at a refinance for someone, and that what you want to keep in mind when you're thinking about your bad credit that you think you may have. So first of all, whenever we think about credit, to be able to do a refinance with our company, we look for at least a 580 credit score. And that's typically, if you're in that range on a credit score, then you're probably going to be an FHA loan. And that's okay. FHA loans are a great option. They still have some pretty good interest rates, in comparison, but they do have some mortgage insurance and things like that. But that's some things that we would need to talk through and kind of analyze to see if a refinance with an FHA loan is going to save you money and will make sense for you. But you at least need to have a credit score of right around that 580 or better. The other thing we're going to look for is your pay history on your mortgage. So if you've had your home for at least 12 months, we're going to look at what your pay history was during that time. And each underwriter is going to look at your last 12 months of payments to be sure that you haven't had any 30-day late payments or 60-day late payments on the house. That's the main thing that they're going to look at when considering if you can qualify for the refinance or not. Now, there is an exception to that. In some cases, you can have one or two 30-day late payments over the past 12 months, but it does make things a little more difficult to qualify. So if you're thinking about refinancing, your pay history is going to be very important when you're looking at that. And then the third thing we look for when thinking about if you can refinance with bad credit and that's going to be your equity. So the more equity you have in your house, the better chance that you have of being able to qualify for the refinance. Now, we're going to look at that. It may not, if you have, good equity, but if you have a 550 score, it's not going to help, in that situation. You still will need to get your credit up, but the equity is going to help an underwriter see that there's a little more, better collateral from that standpoint when thinking about offering you the loan and approving the loan in that way. So if you would like to see if you can refinance your mortgage, we would love to help you with that. All you have to do is click on the link below this video, do our 60-second mortgage survey, and then we'll reach out to you to let you know if it looks like something that you may qualify for, and then we can dig into it a little deeper and start to get a free quote out to you and that type thing. So thanks for watching the video. Please click the like button below the video, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks.